Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel School Tech Karnataka. Today we will be starting with exercise 2.2 of 3rd standard mathematics chapter 2. So let's see what do we have in exercise 2.2. The first one is write the given numbers in place value table. The first given number is 186. So we need to write 6 in units place, 8 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So this is 186. So similarly the next one 420. 0 in units place, 2 in tens place and 4 in hundreds place. It is 420. In the same way you can solve the next exercises up to 600. Up to J. Second one we have write the numbers in given table. So the first one we have here is at units place we have 0, at tens place we have 2 and at hundreds place we have 3. So this is 320. The number is 320. Now the next one. In the units place we have 1, in tens place we have 1 and in hundreds place we have 1. So the number is 111. Similarly you can solve the next questions. Now the third one is write the numbers given in place value table in words. We need to write the numbers in words. For example, in units place we have 4, in tens place it's 6 and in hundreds place it is 2. The number is 264. That is written in words here, 264. So the first one, in units place we have 8, in tens place we have 2 and in hundreds place we have 4. Which number is this? It is 428. Write it in words, 428. The second one, in the units place we have 7, in tens place we have 5 and in hundreds place 6. The number is 657. Write that in words, 657. So in the same way you can solve the next one. The fourth exercise. Write the numbers given in words in the place value table. For example, it is given here 821. Write it in place table. In units place we have 1, tens place 2 and hundreds place 8. 821. The first question, 407. In the units place 7, tens place 0, hundreds place 4. 407. Second one, 188. 188. Write it in place table value. Unit place 8, tens place 8 and hundreds place 1. In the same way you can solve the next numbers. The next part we have jump and learn. Put to Mary and Janu play with their pet animals and birds during leisure time at home. These pet animals give instructions to them to jump in different ways. You also jump and learn with them. Jump one step at a time in forward direction. The dog says jump one step at a time in the forward direction for the dog. So the dog jumps one step from 104 to 105, 105 to 106, 106 to 107, 107 to 108, 108 to 109, 110 and 111. Jump one step at a time in backward direction. So 185 backward, go back. 184, go back. 183, 182, 181, 180, 179. Jump 2 steps at a time in forward direction. 2 steps at a time in forward direction is, here we have 390. To jump 2 steps, that is 1, 2. We need to add 2 to 390. So 390 plus 2. So 309 plus 2. We get 392. So jump to 392. Jump to 394. Jump to 396. Jump to 398. Jump to 400. Jump to 402. Now jump 2 steps at a time in backward direction. We need to jump 2 steps in backward direction. So the number here is 300. To jump in the backward direction, we need to subtract 2 from 300. So 300 minus 2, we get 298. So 300 minus 2, 298. 298 minus 2, 296. 296 minus 2, 294. 294 minus 2, 292. 292 minus 2, 290. 290 minus 2, 288. 288 minus 2, 286. Now jump 5 steps forward at a time. To jump 5 steps, we need to add plus 5 to the given number. So the given number here is 700. Jump 5 steps forward, 700 plus 5 is 705. 705 plus 5, 710. 710 plus 5, 715. 715 plus 10, 720. 720 plus 5, 725. 725 plus 5, 730. 730 plus 5, 735. Now next, jump 5 steps backward at a time. To jump 5 steps backward, we need to subtract 5 from the given number. So the first number given here is 625. So 625 minus 5, we get 620. 620 minus 5, 615. 615 minus 5, 610. 610 minus 5, 605. 605 minus 5, 600. 600 minus 5, 595. 595 minus 5, 590. The next is jump 10 steps forward at a time. So if you want to jump 5 steps at a time, you add 5. If you want to jump 10 steps forward, you add 10. That's right. You add 10. So we have here 470. 470 plus 10. Plus 10 we have 480. 480 plus 10 we get 490. Then plus 10, 500. Then the next 510, 520, 530 and 540. Now to jump 10 steps backward at a time. Any guesses how we can jump 10 steps backward at a time? We subtract 10 from the given number. So the given number here is 540. 540 minus 10 is 530. 530 minus 10, 520. The next 510, 500, 540, 490, 480 and 470. The next exercise, fill in with the missed numbers. We need to fill the missed numbers. The first given number is 300 and the next is 310. If we add 10 to 300, we get 310. So here we are jumping 10 steps forward. Here we are jumping 10 steps forward. So 300 plus 10, 310. 310 plus 10, 320. 320 plus 10, 330. 330 plus 10, 340. 340 plus 10, 350. We have 360 here. 360 plus 10 is 370. So the next one, second one. The first given number is 400. Then we have 450. If we add 50 to 400, we get 450. We are jumping 50 steps at a time forwards. So 400 plus 50, 450. 450 plus 50, 500. The next number is 550, 600, 650, 700, 750. The third one similarly, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is how you can solve it, either jumping forward or jumping backward. The third one, the first number given is 800. The second number is 798. If you subtract 2 from 800, you get 798. Minus 2, 796. The next number 794, 796, 790, 788, 786. The fourth one, 201 and 203. So if we add 2 to 201, we get 203. So here we are jumping 2 steps at a time forward. So 201 plus 2 is 203. 203 plus 2 is 205. So the next number 207, 209, 211, 213 and 215. Fifth one. First number is 999 and second number is 899. Remember to always compare these two numbers. 999 is smaller than 899. So we subtract. So 999 minus 10 is 899. So 999 minus 10, 899. Here we are jumping 10 steps in the backward direction. Then 799, 699, 599, 499, 399 and 299. The last one, 675 and 680. When you see these two numbers, 680 is greater than 675. So, if we add 5 to 675, we get 680. If we add 5 to 680, we get 685. 685 plus 5, 690 plus 5, 695. 695 plus 5, 700. 700 plus 5, 705. 705 plus 5, 710.